Oh, I'm Taryn, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to investigate source IP categories and the domains that have been visited with our traffic flow analysis tool. Once you've logged into your enforcer management portal, you're going to scroll down all the way down to traffic flow analyzer. Now that you're on your home page of your dashboard, you can click on any of our graphs as a base. Now you're going to click on a graph. Now that my graph is loaded, you can see I've already loaded a category graph for my base graph. Now I'm going to click on Query Filter and enter the source IP that I'd like to investigate. So I'm going to enter it, and then I'm going to click on Query because I'd like to see the categories for this specific source IP. And there you go. You can see all the top categories that source IP has visited. And now I'd like to see how many gigs were transferred for each category. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on Query Filter again. I'm going to change the graph view to table view. And I'm going to change the data type to gigabits. And then I'm going to click on Query. And now I can see all the categories, the amount of data transferred to each category for the period of 4 days. So now I'd like to investigate further and see the top domains for a specific category. So I've got two options. I can click on Advanced Interaction, and then I can click on a specific category. The query parameter will pop up, and as you can see, social media is already filtered. So what I'm going to do is click on the drop-down menu and choose Domain, and then I'm going to click on Query. The second option is clicking on Query Filter, and under the category parameter, I'm going to enter the category I'd like to investigate, and then I'm going to click on the drop-down menu and choose Domain, click Query. So now you can see the top domains that source IP has visited in the category social media. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.